I just did a video on a Schwalbe Lugano tire, which is unfavorable. Now I thought I'd do a positive note and do a positive review. This is the Bontrager Race Lite Hardcase tire. Basically a touring tire. It's a training tire. It's a heavy duty tire. It's definitely not that light, but on average, I'm 300 to 350 miles a month. And I've been using these tires for about 10 years. And one thing I'll say is that for commuting and for touring on a high volume basis, this is the best tire that I've ever used. The most reliable and the most puncture resistant. Now, one thing that I do is I use slime in the tubes, but before I started using slime, I had excellent results with the Bontrager tire. This is a 28C. I usually use a 25C, but here I'll leave you with just a couple thoughts. The construction that's used here, okay, is, I would say, a superior, highest quality that I've ever come across on a bike tire. Okay, I've had probably 15 of these tires, and they've never delaminated here, never. So, anyway, positive note. You can see my bike's a little dirty here. This is winter time. I commute about 3/4 of the time to work. I service indoor cycling bikes. I put my tools in here. I commute or take the metro train to most of my service appointments. So on typical, I'm doing about 325 miles a month, sometimes 350. But anyway, so 5 thumbs up for the Bontrager Race Lite. I also been using some of the other higher end Bontrager HC or MC, I forget which model, but those have been working out pretty good. Unfortunately, they're pretty expensive, over $60, more like about 70, but the quality is definitely worth it because you get a lot more life out of the tire.